Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be understanding what is direct and inverse variation. So let's start. Before I move on, let me tell you that I've already made videos on unity method, and I'll add its link in the description along with the link to my channel, so you can check it out also. Alright, now let's start. Let's say that you're going from point A to point B. Alright, let's say you're going in a car. Now, let's say the distance between A and B is 500 kilometers, and let's say that the average of your car is 15 kilometers, or let's say for easy calculation, let's say 10 kilometers per liter. Now this means that that in 1 liter your car will go 10 kilometers, or it can also mean that your car will travel 10 kilometers in 1 liter. So, while traveling 500 kilometers by unitary method, we can calculate that it will use up, we'll calculate. So, for 1 kilometer, it will be 1 by 10, and for 500, it will be 1 by 10 into 500. So, basically, 50 liters of the fuel, petrol, diesel, whatever, will be required. Now, so as you saw, when a car was traveling 10 kilometers, it was using 1 liter, and now when it is traveling 500 kilometers, it is taking 50 liter. So as the distance is increasing, the amount of petrol consumed or fuel consumed is also increasing. This is called direct variation. Now I'll explain you one more example of I'll explain you inverse variation. Let's say that there are a total of 2 workers the 2 workers can do something in 10 days. Now, if I take, let's say, 10 workers, how many days will be required? Days will be what? So, again, by unity method, we can find out when 2 are workers, 10 days are required. When 1 is the worker, now, in this case, when the number of workers is less, the days required will be more. This is because one person can do less than 2, okay, if they are of the same type, and so therefore it will be that the lesser is the number of persons, the more is the number of days, and the more is the number of workers, the less is the number of days. Unlike in the previous case, in which more was the distance, more was the petrol consumed, and the less was the distance, less was the distance consumed. So this will be called inverse variation. I'll explain it further. So 2 workers, it was 10 days. 1 worker, it is 10 into 20, that is 10 into 2, that is 20 days. And for 10 workers, it will be 10 into 20 upon 10, that is, it will be 2 days. So the more is the number of workers, less is the number of days, and less is the number of workers, more is the number of days. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and bye.